What if I told you that the top 1% of Americans don't actually earn more money than you think? What separates them from everyone else is not how much they earn. It is what they do with every single dollar the moment it hits their account. In the next 10 minutes I am going to show you the exact money management system the wealthiest people in America use, a system that most banks and financial institutions never want you to know about. Stay with me. This will change everything. Here is something that will shock you. The top 1% of Americans are not necessarily the highest earners. Studies show that many people earning over $200,000 a year are still living paycheck to paycheck. And many people earning $50,000 a year are quietly building generational wealth. The difference is not the income. The difference is the system. The wealthy have a money system that works for them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while they sleep. And today, you are going to learn exactly what that system is. The first thing the top 1% do is something most people never even consider. They have a rule called the first 24 hours rule. The moment money enters their account, within the first 24 hours, they tell every dollar exactly where to go. Not in their head, not mentally, on paper, in a system. 40% goes to living expenses. 20% goes to savings. 20% goes to investments. 10% goes to debt elimination. 10% goes to personal freedom, things that bring genuine joy. This is called zero-based budgeting. Every dollar has a job. Every dollar has a destination. The average American lets money sit in their account and slowly disappear on things they cannot even remember buying. The wealthy never let a dollar be idle. The second secret is one of the most powerful financial habits you will ever adopt. The top 1% pay themselves first. Before the rent, before the bills, before the groceries. The very first transaction that happens when money enters their account is a transfer to their savings and investments. Not what is left over. Not what they can afford. First. Always first. Most people do it backwards. They pay everyone else first and save whatever is left. But there is never anything left. The wealthy flip this completely. Even if it starts with $50. Even if it starts with $20. The habit of paying yourself first is what separates the people who build wealth from the people who wonder where their money went. The fourth secret is something the wealthy implement that most people never consider. They do not keep all their money in one account. The top 1% use what is called the multiple account system. Account 1. Bills account. Only money for fixed expenses lives here. Rent, utilities, insurance, nothing else. Account 2. Living account. Day-to-day spending money. Food, transport, entertainment. When it is gone, it is gone. Account 3. Emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses. Never touched unless absolutely necessary. Account 4. Investment account. This grows. Always. Every single month. Account 5. Freedom account. Travel, experiences, joy. Things that make life worth living. When money is separated into clear accounts, it becomes impossible to accidentally spend what was meant to grow. The fifth secret is the one that truly separates the 1% from everyone else. They never rely on earned income alone. Earned income is the money you get from working, trading your time for dollars. The wealthy call this the worst kind of income, because it stops the moment you stop. The top 1% obsessively build what is called passive income. Money that comes in while they sleep, while they eat, while they live. Index funds that grow quietly. Dividend stocks that pay regularly. Real estate that generates rent. Digital products that sell automatically. Content that earns advertising revenue. None of these require trading time for money. And none of them started big. Every wealthy person started with one small passive income stream. Then built the next one. Then the next. Until their passive income exceeded their expenses. And that is the definition of financial freedom. The sixth and final secret is not a strategy. It is a mindset. The top 1% think in decades. Not months. Not years. Decades. The average person wants results in 30 days. The wealthy plant trees they know they will sit under in 20 years. Warren Buffett made 97% of his wealth after the age of 65. Not because he started late, but because he let compound interest do its work over decades. The most powerful force in personal finance is time. And the best time to start using it was yesterday. The second best time is right now. A $200 monthly investment started at age 25 will be worth over $500,000 by retirement. The same investment started at age 45, less than $100,000. Time is the greatest asset the wealthy have. And it is the one asset that is completely equal. We all get the same 24 hours. We all get the same years. The difference is what you do with them. Let me bring this all together. The top 1% are not lucky. They are not smarter than you. They are not more talented. They simply have a system. A system that tells every dollar where to go. A system that pays themselves first. A system that refuses lifestyle creep. A system of multiple accounts. A system that builds passive income. And a mindset that thinks in decades, not days. You now have that system. The question is, will you use it? Starting today. Not tomorrow. Not next month. Today. Pick one thing from this video. Just one. And implement it today. One decision made today compounds into a completely different financial life 10 years from now. The top 1% started somewhere. And it started with a single decision. Make yours today. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to fix their money today. Subscribe to Rise and Ignite for weekly videos on mindset and money that will change the way you think. I will see you in the next one.